Presenting Glow-On Super Phosphorescent, with tip applicator. Available in 3, 5, and 10 ml presentations. Instructions are included with every bottle. Glow-On is ready to use straight out of the package. Just shake the bottle, and squeeze. Our concentrated super phosphorescent formula is now easier to apply. Glow-On is available in 8 colors: Aqua Original Green, Yellow, Orange, Bubblegum Red, Hot Pink, and Blue. In this tutorial we apply Glow-On to an analog alarm clock, the type we can use when traveling. First we remove the batteries and the front cover to expose the clock arms. Before the application there is little to no glow. A few glow-in-the-dark markings can make a world of difference. Glow-On is water-based, so it's easy to clean while wet. For small applications, a toothpick can be used to apply the product. It dries in minutes. If the application gets overworked or plain wrong, wipe it off with a wet paper towel and start again. A moist Q-tip can also be used to clean small areas. Before the application, make sure the surface is clean. It absorbs light and then releases it over a long period of time. We turn off the lights for a moment to see the results. Then we make the necessary corrections. A second layer might be necessary. If a second layer is needed, let the first layer dry for a few hours. Replace the front cover and the batteries and it's ready to go. Glow-On is available on different online marketplaces. Glow-On is made in the US. Tap down the bottle after every use to clear the tip applicator. A small pin can also be used. The new tip applicator bottle and the original wooden stick applicator versions are available. Please hit the subscribe button. Visit glowon.com for more information.